In November of 2023, 80 young people from the Nordic countries gathered in Iceland to discuss sustainable development. This is what the youth thought about sustainability education.
I think it's important to learn about sustainability because the world we live in right now isn't sustainable.
Like there are people around the world that are actually fleeing their homes because of flooding or environmental changes.
And sustainability is something that is quite complex to understand. And so I think it's incredibly important to educate, especially young people, about sustainability, because we're the ones who have to live with the consequences.
When we hear sustainability, we think like, oh, theme week once a year. And like, yeah, you see some videos online.
Because in my school, it has just been one day where we get someone on stage to say there's a pollution problem, and then the next day is just a regular day.
I would want sustainability to be integrated into the curriculum. So it's not only theme weeks or workshops, but it's like a mandatory course and you have to learn about sustainability to graduate.
It's very nice to be here like around a lot of engaged or active young people.
I feel like I've learned a lot being here just for 2 days.
You get to be a part of changing something, and you get to be a part of learning it in a different way, and you meet other people and you get to travel and you have fun, but you're also learning at the same time.
Wow. I mean, wow. You have nailed it to the point with everything.
Hopefully in the future we will have a meeting where youth and ministers from the Nordic countries meet at the same time. That would be the exact way of working with young people. But it takes small steps to change things.
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.